Hey guys, welcome to another video. Has this ever happened to you where you're driving down the road, listening to your radio, listening to your music, and out of nowhere, the radio just stops playing, the screen freezes up, it's intermittent, it doesn't happen all the time, but it happens, and it ruins our ride, right? Well, today I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First thing you're gonna need is a flash drive, thumb drive, whatever you wanna call this thing, and your computer. You wanna head to this website, and I will leave the website link down below for your convenience. Everything's going to be linked down below on how I found these instructions. So it's a convenient way to be helpful for you. Once you're on Toyota's website, go ahead and select your model and your year. My truck is a 2014 Tacoma, and I understand this is a big problem with second-gen Tacomas. Once you've selected your model and your year, select your multimedia type. I have the radio with navigation, so that's what we're selecting right here. Once you hit go, you're going to scroll down just a little bit. I want to pay attention to two things. Go ahead and click on Get Updates, and then to start the download, you're going to select the update bubble that works for yours. Once that bubble's selected, scroll down, I accept, and start downloading the software, the new update. And then start downloading the new software, the new update to your flash drive, your thumb drive, and wait for that to download. Once that download has started, you can scroll down and select the instructions. This is where I'm following the next few steps. I already have my new update on this flash drive. We're gonna jump into the truck, start the engine, and go from there. Okay, so we've started our truck, and you may have noticed the section down here that says USB and aux. That's where we're gonna plug this guy in. Once this is plugged in, we're gonna go up to our radio here. We're gonna click on apps, tap OK. Then we have setup, general, and we're going to scroll down. We're going to scroll down to where it says software update, click on update, and you can see our current update is this. Our new one is there. Check that out. That is so cool. With this new update, we're going to go ahead and click update software, the new software. Would you like to start? Yes. And there we go. Installing the new software. That's going to take its time, however long it's going to take. They said it may take up to 15 minutes, so be prepared, be in a ventilated area, just be smart about it, and this should fix that issue. I will give you guys an update here. Also, when the software update is done updating, it will tell you to park your car and turn off the engine, and that will complete the update. So before I go anywhere, that's what I'm going to make sure to do, and then go for a drive, ride around, test it out, and check back with you here in just a few seconds. Okay guys, so I went for a ride, testing it out, playing different songs, going on different roads, just a normal drive. When normally the screen would freeze, the radio would stop playing, it's no longer doing that. We've updated it. We're good to go, honestly. I am super stoked to have this fixed. Let me know how it worked out for you guys. If it did, leave a comment down below, like the video. I appreciate each and every one of your guys' support. And my hope is this was helpful for one of you out there. It's a super quick and easy fix. You can do it all yourself. It's all free. All you need is that flash drive, your computer, and a little bit of time. And you can get this done and have such a better ride. So be sure to subscribe. I have tons of other how-tos and fixes for this truck, as well as fun adventures. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.